Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. My name is Anna.
Hi, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mike. Today, we will talk and get to know each other.
Yes, we will talk about our life, hobbies, and interests. Easy English. Let's start.
So, Mike, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. A little tired, but happy. How about you?
I'm good too. I had a busy day, but now I feel relaxed.
That's good to hear. Where are you from, Anna?
I'm from Taiwan. What about you?
I'm from the United States. I live in a small city.
Oh, nice. Do you like your city?
Yes, I do. It's quiet and clean. How about your city?
Mine is busy but fun. There are many good places to eat.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I like watching videos and listening to music. Sometimes I read books. What about you?
I like walking and taking photos. I also like watching movies.
Oh, nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies and comedy movies. They help me relax. How about you?
I like romance and travel movies. They make me feel happy.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like learning English. I also like making simple videos.
That's great. Why do you like learning English?
Because I want to talk to people from other countries, and I want to watch movies without subtitles.
That's a good goal. Your English is very good.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. I love traveling.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Japan and Korea. How about you?
I want to visit Europe one day. Maybe France or Italy.
That sounds amazing. Do you like traveling alone or with friends?
With friends. It's more fun. What about you?
I like both, but with friends is better.
Let's talk about food. What is your favorite food?
I like noodles and dumplings. They are very tasty.
Nice. I like pizza and burgers.
Do you like spicy food?
A little. Not too spicy. How about you?
I love spicy food. The spicier, the better.
Wow. You're brave.
Do you wake up early?
On weekdays, yes. On weekends, no. How about you?
Same here. I like sleeping in on weekends.
Me too. Sleep is important. Do you have a dream?
Yes, I want to improve my English and travel more.
That's great. I want to live a healthy and happy life.
That's a very good dream.
It was really nice talking with you today.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation. See you next time. Bye.
See you next time. Bye.